Hello, this is first release of Booking Pro module. So whatever we are going to discuss now, it may change later. Few things will be changed. So almost it is ready, but we have to release it to get feedback from the buyers, and then we'll keep on improving for a couple of weeks or months. Okay, so this is Booking Pro module, and it is like an add-on to Commerce Pro. So admin side will be almost similar to Commerce Pro module, and to use this Booking Pro module, you need to have a Commerce Pro module. So apart from basic Commerce Pro features, we have added many things which is related to just bookings, and it is a complex module which will have different use cases and different scenarios like Commerce Pro. So this can be used for normal hotel booking, general hotel booking, then maybe cinema or any beach. So we have map designer also, wherein user can design seat map, and then customers can select seat on map and then make a booking. So and everything else remains same like flow and flow, user flow, cards, everything, and payment gateways, and it is like multi vendor, so you can have multiple store, and it will be integrated with marketplace model too, so that each store owner can manage their own store owner can manage their own store products and bookings. Okay, so this is a setting page, and we have a banner on home page which can be changed from here. Okay, and text can be changed from here, and banner URL you can change it from here. Okay, so like Commerce Pro, you have to change list view. So if you want to open seat map kind of setup, so you have to use map list. Okay, and store list, like it will just display store first or hotels first. Product list, it will directly display products, similar like Commerce Pro. Okay, and what is the difference that we have added is that here like in case of hotel booking, each product will be your room type. Okay, so you have to create products for each room type. Suppose you have 5 room type, then you create a product for each one. Okay, like this. And once you created room type, you can create accommodations. So suppose I have two different type of rooms, and I have 50 accommodation of one type. So you can add accommodation here. So here you have to select room type. It is coming from products. You can give any title and quantity. So it will randomly generate. Suppose I have 50 quantity. Okay, so test room. It will generate test room one, test room two kind of setup. So it is like accommodation. So in case of booking, user is not going to book the room type. They are going to book accommodation. So if you have 50 accommodations, so they will book 50 accommodations. So it's like if there are two bookings, so still there will be 48 accommodation available for booking of same room type. So hope it makes sense. So this is the new addition, and here we have seasonal rates. So basically rates are taken from products section, but in different seasons you want to change the different rates, so you can apply like the start date, end date, and to which product, and this is the additional rate that will apply, and you can even select the days for which days. So like within that date range, you want to apply this rate on just Monday or just Tuesday or maybe all these days, so you can set any rate. So this whatever rate we set, it will be added to base price. Okay, so whatever is the basic price, it will be added to total price. Okay, and whenever they make final bookings, you'll be able to see bookings here. Okay, And this is the additional things to Commerce Pro. And one more thing that we have added is that in stores, so like each store is like hotel or beach or whatever business you want to call it. It can be a single vendor or multi-vendor kind of setup, similar like Commerce Pro. And here we have Map Designer actually. So that is additional to Commerce Pro. So this map design is like it is a background image. You can load any background image. Like you have cinema booking kind of app, then you can upload image of your cinema. Uh, what we call it as cinema map. Okay. So whatever is the design or map, a top view of cinema, you can just upload that image. And so like this image, it is just a random image, and you can create a booking like wherever there is a seat. Suppose this is a seat, so I'll select this, and I want to map this place with whatever product I have. So I have to select this. So right now I have already selected three products. I already have just three products, so it's not visible. So I'll remove it from here. Okay, so maybe I need to refresh it. So we are just working on it. So this is designer, like you can just upload any image and you can select any area that you want to make it available for booking, and you can just select a booking. Let me save it once again. So I will load it. Okay, so here it's coming now. So yeah, so this color is coming from here, marker image. So you can just give any image that you want to upload, and background image is this one, and this area shape whatever you want to give. So it is, if you want to give it a circle, then it will look like a circular. Okay, something like this. So on mobile app, usually you're able to click on this icon and make a booking. So once they click on this, automatically this item will be selected, this whatever. So it's not clearly visible because of background image, so we have to just give it cleaner, and even we have to improve this view. Maybe we have to make it bold or give some background kind of setup. So this is not completely finalized, but yes, the designer and process is done. Only thing, UI, we have to little bit improve it. So this is very uh, useful and complex kind of features that we have added into this Booking Pro model. So using this designer, you can design this app for any purpose, maybe umbrella booking or bus booking or cinema booking. So there are various use cases. Okay, so let me show you flow now. So suppose user will select check-in date, check-out date, and number of nights. So based on these dates, this will be changed. So they can select a room type if they want. So even they can add different room or remove. Okay, and then select. They'll find a room. So here the list is shown. They can just select whatever room they want. They can click on the details. So here's all coming from products section. So suppose I have selected this, I'll just proceed with two rooms. So here it will be added to cart, and again the process is similar to Commerce Pro now. So these things are added. So I'll be able to make a booking. Okay, so login sign up. So the next feature is similar to Commerce Pro, so I'm not going to show that part now. Here, if I want to, let me show you something different. I've changed list view to map view. Okay, let me save it. So now I have changed this setting to map view, map list. So it's showing me this option. So this is how user will make a booking for cinema or bus or whatever. So it's showing me this option. So I can select it, whatever, like user will able to select whatever option they want, so they are able to see on the map exactly which seat or which place they are booking. Okay, and they can just select and it will be added to cart, and they'll be able to proceed as usual. So this button is not functional yet actually, so we are working on it, but we wanted to release it to our current buyers or maybe future buyers, so that they can try this out and they can give their real feedbacks, and we are open to improve or change things that you want. But before deciding or assuming anything, just please ask us. We cannot change something very still, so we can improve the existing functionality. So we are releasing it, this module as of now, and this is still in, we call it beta or maybe first release. And for we are targeting within next 2 weeks, will be able to close all the bugs or whatever feedbacks that we get. So within 2 weeks we'll be able to make it stable, and it is already covering up good scenarios. And so we say that it is kind of stable, but yes, there are so many use cases and so many scenarios. One more thing I wanted to show you is that here we have also added one more thing like age group rates. So different of based on different age group, you can charge different rates for your like for your hotel or room or whatever way you want to use it. So in short, actually, this model is going to be used like Commerce Pro model, and we have added many things, and we have worked almost 8 to 10 months on this model. We started with Commerce Pro, but we released Commerce Pro. We never released this one because we wanted to make Commerce Pro stable. So it is kind of stable, and we wanted to switch to this Booking Pro now, and we are releasing. So we are ready with first version, and we are going to improve based on your feedback. Okay, so and also we are going to add appointment feature in this model. So basic, it will be basic appointment features, like instead of asking two dates, check-in check-out dates, we are going to ask one date and with time. So they'll be able to select date and time, and then they'll see the list of uh, available store, or maybe you want to list directly product, then they'll be able to see the product and they'll be able to make a booking. So and it will be compatible with marketplace model. So this is going to be multi-vendor kind of setup like Commerce Pro. And yes, they are going to covering all like so many scenarios. So please give us your feedback in the comment, and let me know if you want something to be implemented. Thank you.